Hi there, my name is Kelly and I am a meditation coach. And today we are gonna work on a meditation for a productive and positive day. So today, sunny and beautiful day, however, it's freezing. It's 19 degrees here. So as you can see, I'm wearing my very comfortable socks. So I hope whatever you are, you also warm. So let's get started. Let's close our eyes in a comfortable position. Either sit with our legs crossed or not. If you prefer, feel free to lean against a wall, a couch, a bed, or anywhere that feels comfortable for you. Or you can also lie down. But if sitting in a chair, have your feet planted, grounded on the floor, and keep your back, your spine long, tall, balanced. Roll back your shoulders slightly to open your heart. Now let's bring our attention to the breath, our beautiful breath, your normal breath and its sensations. Breathing in through the nose, breathing out through the mouth. And just settle in this present moment. Now let's take a few deep breaths, inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. So let's take the first deep breath. Inhale, release. Let's take another deep breath. Breathe in. Let it go. Now let's take another deep breath. This time, hold at the top for a couple of seconds. So let's take another deep breath. Inhale. Hold it. 1, 2. Release. Now back to your normal breathing pattern. Slowly start bringing your attention to your chest area. Envision a beautiful green light filling up this entire area. And fill your heart balloon with positive thoughts, feelings, and emotions. Just don't engage with the thoughts. Just feel the emotions and the feelings. Inhale and exhale. And as you continue doing so, experiencing those positive emotions, feelings, start breathing in through the heart and breathing out through the heart. Although we cannot physiologically breathe through the heart, we can physically feel as if we are doing so. Breathe in through the heart. Breathe out through the heart. Again, breathe in through the heart. Breathe out through the heart. And if you feel so, if you want to, you can also repeat this affirmation in your mind's eyes. I cultivate harmony with myself and others, and I am open to receiving and sharing positive vibes today. I cultivate harmony with myself and others, and I am open to receiving and sharing positive thoughts today. Let's sit in stillness for a few moments, experiencing those positive feelings. And when you're ready, after showing appreciation for yourself, for nurturing your inner being, your inner self, start bringing your awareness to where you are. wiggling your fingers and toes. And gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.